Suppose you are in an online website. You want to buy a new shoe. But the problem is that you want to look at this shoe from a different angle. But the website only give you certain good looking angles and you are not quite sure what is this going to be look like from the direction you want. And in a website, you cannot simply put infinitely many images from infinitely many directions and positions. So what if we can train a model, a neural network, so that it can predict what should be the view look like from any direction? So when we give the direction and the position of your camera, it must be able to generate how the view, or in our case how the shoe must look like. This is the key goal of neural radiance fields. We call this objective novel view synthesis. So what are we going to give the model as inputs? So we have a set of images that we take from our camera, and we give the model the position and the camera's viewing direction as the input. So position is going to be a 3D vector and a direction is going to be a 2D vector of the two angles. So the position is going to be the X, Y and Z coordinates. So we give this 5D input to the model and the model should predict the image, essentially the image, how the object or the view should look like from the given position. How is it going to do that? It is going to predict the color of the points along the ray and the color density along the ray. And so by integrating these colors and densities, you can predict what is the actual color of that pixel. So our ground truth or our target is going to be the photo we took. So the model must predict using the position information and the direction information what is going to be the real view. So we need to render the colors and densities we derived from the model, and then we must generate an image. So we simply take the squared difference between the generated image and the ground truth image. So this is the simple neural radiance field architecture.